Are you an optometrist dreaming of working in Australia and earning a salary of up to INR 50 lakh per year? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it is real and you can really earn this much. All you need to do is clear the OCANZ COE exam. Hi everyone, I am Sunidhi Shahi, your host, and welcome back to MedCare by Academically, where we talk about healthcare career around the world. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss an opportunity to upgrade your career. In today's video, I am going to break down exactly how to prepare for the OCANZ COE exam and how you can clear it on your first attempt. Let's begin. So first thing first, what even is the OCANZ COE? The OCANZ COE or Competency of Optometry examination is conducted by the Optometry Council of Australia and New Zealand. This exam is for overseas trained optometrists who wants to register and work in Australia. The exam tests whether your skills and knowledge match Australian standards, and trust me, if you prepare the right way, you totally got this. Before you start preparing, make sure you meet these basic eligibility criteria: a 4-year optometry degree or a 3-year degree with at least 1 year of supervised clinical experience. Got that covered? Amazing. Now let's talk about preparation. This isn't your typical university exam. The COE is intense and competitive, so proper preparation is everything. Here is a step-by-step plan to get you started. Number 1, understand the exam format. OCANZ COE consists of written and practical exams. Knowing the structure helps you study smarter, not harder. Step 2, build a study schedule. Create a timetable that works for you according to working hours, studying style and revision time. And then step 3, use the right resources. You don't want to waste time on random materials. Use recommended textbooks, video lectures, practice MCQs and case-based clinical scenarios. Or better, join a course that gives you everything in one place. Let me be real with you, most people who pass on their first attempt don't prepare alone. They join a structured expert-led program, and that's where Academically's OCANZ preparation course really shines. Here is why this course stands out. We provide live and recorded sessions so you can study anytime and anywhere. High yield notes and study handouts, AI-driven mock tests for your progress, 101 feedback with OCANZ trainers, and a final grand test that simulates the real exam experience. It's not just about passing, it's about passing with confidence. So if you're serious about becoming an optometrist in Australia, start your preparation today. Check out the link given in the description to book a free 101 consultation session with the experts at Academically and get all your questions answered. And hey, give this video a like if you found it helpful, share it with your fellow optometry friends, and drop your questions in the comments and I will reply to everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more career guidance. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing and go abroad with your optometry career. This is Sunidhi Shahi signing off.